Hey, good Sunday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather Update for this June the 23rd, 2013. It's been a hot, humid day across eastern North Carolina, and we're also seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms as well. Let's take a look at live Viper 9 this afternoon. And looking at some of the heavier downpours into Pamlico County, down towards Bayboro, Vandermeer, back over towards just to the north of Minnesota Beach, and moving outside of Fairfield Harbor in Craven County, also into portions of Craven County, just a touch south of New Bern, out towards, say, James City. Also have a heavy downpour into Johnston County, out towards Smithfield this afternoon, and some light showers stretching from about Manio and East Lake down through Buffalo City into Lake Mattamuskeet, down towards Swan Quarter, also over towards Belhaven, Ponzer, back over into Aurora, and also into Onslow County from right along the Highway 17 and Highway 53 corridors this afternoon, right through the city of Jacksonville. Otherwise, everywhere else is dry. We've seen a few showers elsewhere across the east. They're starting to come down as the sunset is starting to go down behind the horizon. Similar situation as that we're going to see over the next several days across eastern North Carolina. Here's a look from the 4-kilometer NAM this afternoon. Obviously, we've got the scattered showers and thunderstorms. They will start to come down as we go into the next several hours. Shower chances will be slim tonight. We'll call it about a 10% chance just to cover maybe one or two coastal showers this evening after, say, about 10 o'clock or so. And then tomorrow morning, same story. We'll see the pop-ups start to happen right around, say, 10, 11 o'clock, very similar to what we saw today, some of which could be on the heavy side, and one or two could be marginally severe at times. Gusty winds, lightning, and heavy downpours are going to be the main threats with most of these storms going into tomorrow. This is just simulated radar. This isn't going to be the end-all, be-all, and you're going to see hit-or-miss showers and thunderstorms. Not going to rain on everybody at one time. It's going to be a few people here and there, and when it does rain, it'll cool you down, but the humidity will also be there like a sore thumb. So that's something that you're also going to have to deal with going into the next several days. Even if it rains and cools you down for a couple of hours, you're going to have to deal with the consequences that go along with it. On to the look on the GFS, and Bermuda High definitely being the main weather feature across eastern North Carolina the next several days. It's going to keep us quite warm, and also with the slight chance for showers and thunderstorms. Once again, it's going to be more of the scattered type of variety over the next several days. Piece of energy off towards our north and the west will stay far, far away from us. And you see the main flow, the jet stream, well to the north of us, so the main storm track is going to stay north of us as well. Going into tomorrow, same type of scenario, high pressure on top of us, but still the afternoon pop-up shower or thunderstorm, not out of the question. Now, Tuesday on the GFS, you see a little piece of energy trying to sneak its way into the area with a westerly flow. With a westerly flow, we get that downsloping wind off of the mountains, and likely on Tuesday and possibly on Wednesday. I'll show you the European as well. We could see either uptick in shower activity with this little piece of energy from the GFS standpoint. The European's drier, but all in all, we're still going to be expecting a warm day on Tuesday, as well as going in towards your day on Wednesday and Thursday. We'll probably top out close to 90, if not higher, those days with that westerly flow. Even with the southwesterly flow, you get the moisture on top of the drier air, and it's just even worse, I think, with a southwesterly flow. We'll go ahead to Wednesday, and this is suggesting a little bit of a northwesterly push, and once again, seeing that little piece of energy there, but the European's a different story. We'll show you that in just a couple of minutes. Going ahead towards Thursday, watching a trough off towards the north and the low pressure associated with it. Big mega ridge builds in here on the west coast going in towards Thursday. That's some hot stuff, 597 high going in towards, say, Thursday of this upcoming week. Here's a look on Friday, and the trough trying to dig in here, but it's going to kind of hang up going into Saturday. The low pressure system kind of hangs up towards the north and finally starts to eject out as we head towards Sunday, and that's going to drag a cold front on through here, but not really going to bring any cooler weather as the ridge starts to build in here by next Monday once again. And we start to see the heights increasing, so the cool weather not really going to be in the forecast the next several days. All right, down to the surface on the GFS, obviously you see the main feature, the Bermuda high pressure system just off to our east. That is going to bring up a lot of southwesterly flow and keep it nice and warm, nice and toasty, nice and humid across eastern North Carolina the next several days. Here's Monday, once again, scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Same thing on Tuesday. And the GFS is a little bit more antsy on bringing in the rain chances. This would possibly suggest a little higher rain chance going into Tuesday afternoon. That's because of the fact that that little piece of energy coming through the flow going into Tuesday afternoon. Right now, we're going to keep it at about a 30% chance. Keep it even keel all this week as far as that's concerned. We'll fast forward to Wednesday. Once again, with that little piece of energy pushing through the area, it's trying to pick up the rain chances, and you'll see on the Europeans a different story. Here's Thursday. Once again, scattered showers and thunderstorms ahead of our cold front that comes in here. That might be a breezy day with winds out of the south and east, south and west rather, at about maybe 10 to 15 miles per hour that afternoon. Same thing on Friday, and that's a strong southwest flow that afternoon with winds coming right off the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to be hot and humid. Same thing on Saturday, but the cold front's starting to push on through by Sunday morning. It's pretty much through the area. Here's the surface front here, but the main energy associated with it's already off the coast. And by Monday, we're dry at this point, more than likely still with a scattered chance for afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Now, here's the look on the European. Still has that 1027 high off the coast for tomorrow. And you see on Tuesday, this is valid Tuesday morning, and we're dry. And same thing on Wednesday morning. We're dry. To start off the day, going through most of the day, we're fairly dry. With that westerly flow, that's going to help heat up the temperatures. It's going to be a warm couple of days as we head towards, the next couple of days. Here's Thursday and Friday. Winds start to shift a little bit more from the southwest, and that's what's going to bring in the moisture. It gets breezy come in here on Friday and Saturday, increasing rain chances that day. We'll likely go with a 40% chance for showers and thunderstorms. A little mezzo low down towards the south, but the main cold front is making its way offshore at that point by Monday morning. Tuesday, it's hung up offshore, and the reason why is because the Bermuda high is holding it off to the east, so we may say unsettled for the coast into next week until that thing can finally get on out of here. But most of us, we're just going to see mainly scattered activity the next several days, and into next week we may have to talk about the uncertainty with the frontal boundary hanging offshore if the high pressure system, the Bermuda high, holds going into next week right off the coast. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. You can get the latest information on WNCT.com as well as Storm Team 9 WNCT on Facebook, or my Facebook page, Meteorologist Patrick Ellis, also on Twitter. And we can keep you guys up to date on the television side as well. We'll be on tonight at 10 o'clock on the CW and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. Meteorologist Dante Jones tomorrow morning at 5 to 7, and Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer back from his vacation. He's in tomorrow evening for the evening shows, and I'm off the next couple of days, so the ENC Weather Update videos, I'm going to take a couple of days off. We'll have the next update by Saturday, but we may have to give another update in between just because of the incoming cold front that could bring us possibly some strong storms going into the latter half of the week. We'll keep you guys updated everywhere else, and have a great weather week.